Welcome to PaidToday, how to sell products, courses, or services online through your client portal or customer portal, even if you don't want to build out a website. And this process also works if you do have a website built somewhere else on a different platform. Um, you can also link them to the portal and it will work the same, so you can use your PaidToday account almost anywhere. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the website builder on the left sidebar here. And we're going to go up to create new page set on the top right. And then we're just going to give it a page set title. We'll just say only portal for this one. And then we'll do .com. So we're setting the domain here, and I'm using one of the free subdomains from PaidToday. You guys can do this as well if you have your own domain. Go ahead and follow the instructions on how to hook that up if you want to do that for this. But because we're not building a website, it doesn't really make a huge difference to me on this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that. And we'll go ahead and save the page set. Now once we have the page set saved, next thing I want to do is go ahead and check my client portal options. And I want to make sure that the stuff that I want on is on. I'm just going to turn everything on for this tutorial, but go ahead and choose what you want your clients to be able to see. If you don't sell courses, you'll probably want to turn that off. If you don't sell products, vice versa. On any of these different things, just turn them on or off, depending on what you do. Go ahead and save that. I'm going to leave them all on for this one. And then we're going to go back to our website builder, and we can see that we have our page set here for only portal. Go back into the edit of that, and then the next thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and click preview here. And then this doesn't work because we didn't create any pages, but that's not entirely true. So what you want to do now is just add at the end of your URL on top goes /vportal. Click enter. And this takes you to your sign-in page. So this link here can be used anywhere on any site or any button anywhere. Share it on Facebook, WhatsApp messaging, emails, anything like that. It'll take them directly into your portal. And then all they have to do is log in or register. If they're new, they'll register to create their account. This one I already have an account created, so I'm just going to sign in. And now we can see that we are in the business portal, and our link, our only portal, PaidTodayPages.com vportal. So we've accessed that, and now I can, if I'm a customer, I can purchase new courses, I can purchase new products from here, any of those kinds of things. So I can essentially be up and running and selling in no time. Even if I don't have a website, maybe I haven't built it out yet, but I got people that want to buy stuff, so I'm going to start there, right? Let's at least get them access to our products. One thing we can do to the sign up, so if I sign back out, we don't have any images or anything that will propagate because I didn't set any for this business, but we can do that. So let's go back into our page sets. So as long as you save it, any domains that you create, any page set domains that you create, as long as you put the /vportal at the end of it, it will take them to the portal login. This is also the link that you'll use inside of your website to link, if you have a sign in button on the navigation bar on the top right or something like that, you'll just put /vportal, it'll take them right to the login.